the Doritos Extended Play Stage. Check out POV VMA on MTV's YouTube. Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Is this
The civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning for the following California counties: Los Angeles and San Francisco, effective until further notice. The California Governor's Office of Emergency Services in California State Police has issued an evacuation order due to riots. Do not approach the riots. That can be extremely dangerous. I repeat, do not approach the riots. That can be extremely dangerous. Stay tuned to local cable systems for more information.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Do not use your telephone for the duration of this emergency.
what happens tomorrow is for tomorrow to worry about. That is the true meaning of the beach. And what's inside every bottle of Corona. So no matter where your journey takes you, or what this world throws at you, with just a squeeze of lime, the beach is closer than you think. La playa awaits.
This may be of interest. A variation of the